Similar to CSS, JavaScript functions are most commonly placed in between the open and close head tags. The reason for this is because the head portion of an HTML page gets loaded before any other part of the HTML document. So if you were to put your JavaScript code right before the closing body tag, any JavaScript calls made to functions by your page as it loads will result in an error. Let's take a look at an example of a JavaScript function located in our head tag and called upon in our body. We won't get too much into the HTML here because by now most of this HTML code should look familiar. This JavaScript code will calculate your age in dog years. A year of a person's life is equivalent to 7 years of a dog's life. Let's preview this file before we take a look at the code. As you can see, we input our age in the first input field. I'll put 1 just for demonstration. Once we press calculate, the JavaScript function is called. It reads the value in the first input and multiplies it by 7. It places the result in the second input. In the code, we can see that the script for the JavaScript function is located in the head tag. The function itself is called cYears. This function takes the value of the form element my age and multiplies it by 7. The result is then displayed in the form element dog age. The entire function is activated when the user clicks the calculate button. This is when the JavaScript function is called. We can see an on-click event attached to the button. We'll explore different events later in this course.